Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have here my dad's Swiss Army knife. This is the Wenger Matterhorn Plus. This is a 9 layers tool, 85mm long. This is a quite old model. I think it's from the late 80s. You can see from the scales with the old aluminium logo here. It's quite in good shape, but it's here because I want to repair the scissors that are broken. Let's see quickly all the tools. We have the arch blade, arch knife, the nail file, nail cleaner, facing on the inside, the Phillips screwdriver, and we have the universal wrench, how they call it. Let me see if I can, because it's a bit dry. This tool is dry. Okay, needs some oil, in fact. Okay, that's the universal wrench. Wow, it's really dry. Okay. Of course, the Phillips screwdriver locks in position, but this is stuck. Then we have here the saw. Okay. Okay, that's the file, metal saw or file from Wenger. You can see it's made of a different material than the other ones. It has a special finish that I don't remember right now. Fish scaler. Okay, quite similar from the one in the Victorinox. Here we have the mineral crystal magnifier with precision screwdriver. Okay, this is made from mineral crystal or glass. Comparison, this is plastic. Okay. Okay, this is special tool here. That's the so-called orienteering tool, ruler and compass. Ruler, okay, the opposite side, ruler and compass. They're still working. Yes, it's still working. Of course, here we have the bottle opener, or wire stripper, large screwdriver. It's quite stuck, but it locks with pressure, and the can opener. The backside tools, we just have the awl or reamer. Okay, we have a little bit of rust inside here, just a little bit. Corkscrew, of course, and this model has the keyring. On the scale tools we have two pick and tweezers. Okay, this scales need some attention, but not today. Yeah, I miss between all these tools, I miss what we need to repair. The scissors. Quite hard to reach, so you're missing a piece. Okay. This is the problem of early Wenger's scissors, because they had that little screw here, and you miss the screw and you can lose all the other side of the scissors, the other half of the scissors. So, for comparison, this is a Swiss champ. There's a little difference in number of layers. Okay, weight is about the same. I bought another knife, advertising knife, and was really cheap, so yeah, this has the same side of scissors. They are working really good. I will try to remove the little screw here to replace the missing part. Have a different shape here. You can see on the reflection, the light reflection here. No? Yeah. This one has this little thing, this little bend, but it is straight, in fact. Okay. This one is all straight. Yeah. But the other side has the little bend. Huh. Nice to know. Didn't know this thing. Okay, let's try to remove the working scissors right now. Okay, this is the one. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, it comes right off like this. No problem. And no wonder that you can lose it quite easily. That's why later they put the pin. Okay, the brass pin like in Victorinox. Later Wenger models have the brass pin. I think that was the other half that had the hole for the screw. So we were different. It's moving. We can lose this. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Well, okay. I think we made it. Brass rod is inside. Try on the knife. Okay. Okay. You see, these are a little bent, so we try to straighten them up, bit, a little bit. Okay. So in fact, this turned out to be like a universal method to fix these Wengers. Didn't know that the little screw was on a different side. Okay. Now I have to cut it, right? Okay, I managed to cut the brass rod with, thanks to this tool right here. I don't have a bench wise because this is quite light table, but I have this tool that opens and closes like this. It's like a wise, but this is in fact steel bender. You can bend steel plates. Okay, like this. You hold them here and you bend them. Well, it's like a wise. It's really nice to work with this thing. I had to find down just a little bit of a residue of the saw. Spin. Okay. So my camera died right at the end, and after a little bit of hammering on a flat, hard surface, I made it. Turned out quite good. You can see. Let me just focus here. The finish is excellent. Okay, just keep in mind when you're hammering down that you have to keep the scissors a little loose and not as tight as they are here, because you want them to open by themselves. This is also really dry tool, so it will improve with use and with oil, of course. So just put a little bit of WD-40 on the mainspring and on the scissors, and look at this, they are like new. Seems like different scissors, but yeah, needed just a little bit of oil. So in the end, if you want to fix your whole Wenger, you missed the screw or you didn't know that you have different types of scissors through the years, just like me, or you want to fix your Victorinox, or you want to fix also your Leatherman scissors, or every kind of scissors out there, you just need a brass rod. You just need a brass rod like this, and it's enough. You file it down to be able to put it in the hole, and just some basic tools like that. You're good to go. Well, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.